SIEG ECO2 small economical precision 5 axes. 5 linkage machining center. With 5 degrees of freedom, XYZBC. Integral bed casting. With good finish and strong rigidity. LED indicator. Machine tool lighting system. High precision vise. ECO2 has the characteristics of high efficiency and high precision. Good at space surface processing, special shaped processing, and hollow processing. The workpiece can be assembled at one time to complete complex processing. Z-axis tool alignment instrument. Configuring the 5-axis system of SIEG 5. Siemens 1 system operating style. Compatible with G-code. Cost-effective. ECO2 has the characteristics of high efficiency and precision. It can be in a work area to perform a full range of cutting and machining operations. 5. X's electronic hand wheel. Long-distance transmission. Strong anti-interference ability. BC-axis turntable. More compact structure. Suitable for machining small and complex precision parts. 6-station BT30 disc tool changer. High positioning accuracy. Fast tool changer. BT30 automatic tool changing electric spindle. 18,000 revolutions per minute spindle speed. SIEG ECO2 economical 5-axis machining center. It is a 5-axis that can be truly owned.